how we're going to mark out this component of our bird feeder. You'll notice one has got a hole, that's going to allow us to put the feed in, but the one at the bottom does not. So they look similar, but they're not identical. So we've got our material here, and we're going to make both parts out of one section. So you can see we're rounding the top and the bottom, and I've also marked on where I'm splitting this into the two different parts. So the first thing we're going to do is get our lines in across here. So first size we're going to measure is 60. Again, making sure my ruler is flush with the edge of my material. There's my mark at 60, taking my line across. We're going to repeat this again in 60. Make sure again it's flush with the edge, and taking my line across. So the space we have here is where we're going to be sewing, and this is our waste material. We're now going to use this little template. Now we can use templates that are made of paper or card. This one's made of plastic, and the reason why we made it from plastic means it's going to last a long time. If we're using paper or cardboard, it would start to probably lose its shape and fall in bits. So we're just going to round our edges, again marking off where I'm going to be removing my material, and then exactly the same on the other side. So notice I'm lining this up with the edge, making sure it's fitting on perfectly, and marking off my waste material. Eventually, when we come to shape this, we will simply be using the sander. Our next step is to mark on where we're going to drill the hole. So we're going to take a size, doesn't matter what end we do this, so we're going to take a size of 25 millimeters down. There's my mark. I'm using my tri-square to take my line down, and then the size in again is going to be 25 millimeters, and that's where we are going to drill the hole that is going to allow us to add the feed into our bird feeder.